Alright, after long, like 1 year thinking, I have decided to bolt this in. I was thinking to glue it in, but of course it cannot stay there with all the tremble, and so it makes me feel better when I know it's bolted in, so it's not flying around through anyone's windshields or something. So the idea is to place it, of course, underneath here, and I checked the places. There is one and there is another, and those should be around there. So they should be around in the middle of 2 lights and in the middle this way. So that's probably the best way to dump in small bolt or not. I'm not sure which one I prefer. I was wondering if I add some sort of cool stuff over here, but not sure. But we need the hose anyway, so now we drill the hose. Alright, pilot holes done. Now I need to enlarge those. Then I will mark the spot with this light. Not sure if I'm gonna rip the light apart. Probably. But I probably print another one. Nice. Right, let's see if the hedgehog is... At least it will stay there better than without the bolts, right? Then I need to figure out some sort of nuts. And now they fit in perfectly. I was thinking that should I actually glue these, but yeah, I need to close the tail light first before doing anything. I need to glue that also. I can glue these together. Then I need to glue that one, also that one, and also these. I will glue these so they are waterproof. Then I need to create a hole for the cable. So I was thinking that I will glue the nuts in here. So how to get them there, I figured out that I will use the bolt to find the correct depth. So if I twist the bolt, the nut is coming up. If I twist the bolt to another way, the nut is going down. So I want to have the nut almost even with the plastic, but maybe a little bit deeper, so it will sit nicely there and I can tighten it against the fender. So that's good. Then I pull it out. I will fill this with hot glue and push this in. Whenever it's cooled down, I will twist out the bolt. Too much glue, I would say. Alright, lovely. It's not perfect, but I'm brave enough to now glue it in. That one needs to go inside, of course. Yeah, I will do it like this. And then this other side. Ai vittu, that's Finnish and means fuck, it's hot. Ouch! Like so. Then we leave it there for a while. Alright, so the cable is now done. I'm thinking of having it coming out from there. Because we have the... not sure if you can see, but we have these clips for the cables and we could use that one. It's right there. So the hole will be somewhere here. Okay, but before we are connecting that, I need to figure out why the electricity is gone, basically. It's like completely gone. Alright, powers, ignition, nothing. So, why it is broken? Is it broken? It's not broken. What? Where is all the power going? What is this madness? Is this working? There's the light. There is the light now. Okay. We need to take off the tank so we can access the disc. So I'm pretty sure this is the problem. I remember this giving us hard time already last year, like the electricity switch. But the ignition switch, I mean. so let's check the ignition switch. Here we have the electricity meter. I did connect the cables which were connected also on the motorcycle. So now it's in off position and we want to measure the resistance. So 1 or line means that there is no connection between these 2 points, but 0 means that they are connected. And if there is some sort of other numbers, that means that they are connected, but there is that much of a resistance in the connection. So now when I'm turning the ignition on, it should have some numbers if it's working. There's nothing. Let's see. Oh! Yeah, so there is obviously some sort of connection issue inside the ignition switch. There is numbers sometimes and sometimes there is nothing there. And that was also the problem last summer when I was driving. Couple of times the motorcycle just stalled, and whenever I touched the ignition switch it came back to life, but now it seems to be much more worse and I guess is repairable, but I don't want to use that one anymore because I have spare one, so I will change the whole thing. Here it is. It's lots bigger than the other one, but this is what we have. So let's see. How's the connections? Okay. Works. Nice. So where I'm going to hide this big boy? I think I am going to install it here, like at the bottom of the electric box, so it will be operated from below, so it will stay here like this. That's the best place I can figure out currently. Yeah, let's do that. I will drill a hole there, then I need to cover up these ones. Yeah, let's see. And we have a hole. Then we check if it fits there. We also need to do a little bit of some painting to make it better. Okay. That's pretty good over there. It's not bad. Let me show you. I can always paint the outer thingy so it's black too. Or actually it should be gold. Yes, we can paint it gold. But let's first connect everything and see if it works. Alright, so I made 2 of these guys and now we connect them to the ignition switch. So one goes here. Try to make it flat as possible so it's not rubbing the seat or anything. And the other one should be going directly to the other place, of course. What did you think that it will be going? This is the place where it should go. Like so. I need to create some sort of hat for this. Let's see. this good? That's probably good enough. I will add some zip tie around it and it will stay there. But let's try it first now. Alright, power on. No smoke yet. Then the switch on. Hahaha, we have everything flashing and blinking here. Oink, 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 oink. The pig is back. Perfect. It's Fabio. Fucking awesome, but it's okay. I decided to go through the fender. This is how it looks from below. So I will clean up the hole and it's good to go. I will install this go-through rubber in here so we can have waterproof connection for the cable, hopefully. So that's there now. Then we need to have the cable going in. Like this. Voila, it's pretty. Nice. How should I connect these? I should have some sort of actual connector and not those. Let's see what I have. I will use these good old sugar bits. Sokeripala. I'm not sure what it needs to be called in English, but you can install whatever you want with these and it's super simple. So let's go. And we have everything together, ladies and gents. Let's see. Both lights working. How about the brake lights? Pretty nice. Turn right. Yep. Blinky see, blinky see. Turn left. Blinkety also there. I think it came out pretty nice. I like this like hidden light. It's super sleek. I just need to hope that it will stay up there and doesn't fall down. Remember to leave some comments and subscribe the channel if you like this kind of stuff. I know it's been a little bit slow progress lately, but hey, better late than never. See you! And now we of course want to make it run. It has run last year previously, so bear with me. This is completely cold start, no practice before this one. So bear with me. And cross them fingers. Smell gasoline. Joke. Nope. We have gas. I smell gas. That's good. looks like a charger.